It's important to know that there are different asset classes when it comes to gold. Number one, there's currency grade gold, and that's the kind of gold that you find at central banks. That's the kind they store there. That's the kind they store at Fort Knox. It's very rare. It's the highest and purest form of gold that exists in the world, and it's always certified for purity and weight because of the LBMA stamp on 999.9 gold. The refinery has to be an LBMA approved refinery. London Bullion Market Association will be stamped right on your bullion to identify that, hey, this is the real thing. And it's also on the London Good Delivery list. So that's the first asset class, and you'll find those products at places like Karatbars International, karatbars.com, UBS, Union Bank of Switzerland, Pomp Swiss, and there's basically a handful of companies that produce this high, rare form of gold. Then there's everything else. Gold coins, bars, ingots, jewelry, and even industrial use, where you'll find the spot price listed at multitudes of websites like Kitco, goldprice.org, and just a slew of other websites, which is always priced in ounces. Very important here, people. The gold and silver, coins, bars, ingots, jewelry, and industrials priced in ounces. But currency grade gold priced in grams. Very, very important difference. Right now, the price of a gram of currency grade gold is right around $80 US. I know, people get their calculator out. Wait a minute, there's 31 ounce or grams in an ounce, so they $2,488 for an ounce. Well, I'm not going to do that. I can get the same thing for about $1,700 an ounce. Actually, the spot price yesterday was $1,767 for this asset class. To get the spot price for this asset class, you have to go to their websites to get the spot price. Now, very important, any asset class is worth what people are willing to pay for it. I don't care if it's real estate, if it's diamonds, gold, whatever it is, cars, any asset class is worth what people are willing to pay. And the market dictates what the price is. The spot price listed every day for this asset class changes all the time as people buy and sell. Same thing here. The asset class price changes every day, listed on their websites, but the market says it's willing to pay more for this asset class than it is this. This asset class, an ounce, is worth basically about $2,400 US. Where over here, this asset class, an ounce, is worth, the market's willing to pay about $1,700. So it's very important. Why? Why are they willing to pay more? Well, because your gold is currency grade. It's always certified for purity and weight. It's got the LBMA stamp. It's got the London Good Delivery quality behind it. And it's the only form of gold used to settle debts by banks, central banks, regional banks, even Fort Knox here in the United States. You won't find any gold coins vaulted there in Fort Knox, nor in any other central bank. This is the asset class that is vaulted at central banks at Fort Knox. Only currency grade, only 999.9. The other stuff, no, it's not. So the market says it's willing to pay more for the certification, for the certainty of purity and weight. For the smaller, more affordable grams rather than the large bars that very few can afford. But Karatbars, everyone can afford. $80. You know, who can afford a big bar? Not very many people. That's the brilliance behind Karatbars International program. So currency grade gold must be London Good Delivery list, must be stamped by LBMA certified refinery, and it must be 99.9 pure. And Karatbars has the world's best prices in this asset class. 1 gram, 99.9, fine LBMA stamped London Good Delivery list. Karatbars has the world's best prices. Here's probably our top competitor, UBS. They're selling their marketing strategy a little different. They're actually selling vending machines for as much as $100 each. But right here on the website, I mean, if you go to Google 1 gram gold, you'll see UBS, you'll see Pomp Swiss, you'll see Karatbars, and you'll see we have the world's best price and have had for 2 straight solid years. There's our price and there's everyone else. So not only that, but we have a K Exchange Center program where you can actually use your gold as real money. You can use your Karatbars to acquire products and services from our K Exchange businesses all over the world that have agreed to accept currency-grade gold, Karatbars, as payment for products and services. So we're only at the beginning of a rare moment in time. Expert Mike Maloney says it well when he says gold has a track record of price and performance no other asset class has. Don't let the banks, brokerage houses, and politicians influence your decisions. Take responsibility for your own financial future. He continues, there's brief moments in history when the safe haven asset becomes the asset class with the single most potential for appreciation and gains in purchasing power. This is one of those times. Money right now is the best investment, according to Mike Maloney. He says exchange your paper money into gold money and do it now, and if you do, you'll be able to buy more stuff later. Stay in paper money and you'll buy less stuff in the future. It's as simple as that. Getting out of paper currency, exchanging it for real money, sound money, in smaller, more affordable, transaction-friendly ways with complete liquidity at all times makes great sense. This is your chance to connect with the refinery. Perfect timing. Paper money's losing value. Small, easy to carry and affordable weights, complete liquidity. Shop and pay with your gold currency, or you can just simply save it. We can actually work the K Exchange program is a program where you can work online or offline, and of course immediate delivery or free storage for every single gram that you purchase. Karatbars International's goal is to offer a system where people can protect their money using currency grade gold.